Hi all, I'm Age and welcome to Liquid Earth. Before we get started, just take a look at some of the before and after images for this black gritty edit we're going to make. So we're going to edit this image and then we're going to save the edit as a preset to apply to any other photo with one click. You can also download that in the comments. There's a link to the preset. Okay, let's get started on this edit. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go into our light and let's change our contrast. We're going to move that up to plus 26, highlights down to minus 40, and our shadows we're going to boost it up a little bit to plus 10. Next up, go into the curve and hit the RGB curve. That's the red, green and blue one. And we're going to place 3 points at the intersections. Just tap on the screen. For the top point that we've placed, we're going to lift that up a little bit. Keep the middle one right in the center. Next one down, we're going to move that down a little bit. And then on the bottom left, we're going to move that marker up so that we change our blacks to the grays. Press done when you've completed. And then head over to the color. So the color, we're going to add a little bit of vibrance. And take down our saturation and then hit the mix. So first up, we're in reds. We're going to take our saturation down, hit that at minus 30 and luminance down a little bit to minus 12, and then head over to the orange and saturation down minus 30 and again luminance down minus 12. Next up is yellow. We're going to take the hue down to minus 60. Saturation all the way down to minus 100. And then go into the greens. Take your saturation down to minus 100 in the greens. Head over to aqua, same again, minus 100. And then in the blues, same for the purples. Just repeat that, minus 100 saturation, minus 50 on the luminance, and finally magenta, just repeat that again, so minus 100 and minus 50. And press done. Okay, we're going to hit the effects panel now, and let's add a little bit of texture to our image. So plus 20, also clarity, we're going to go up a bit further, so we're going to hit plus 45 for our clarity. And dehaze, we're going to do plus 10. Then put a bit of a vignette on our image, so we'll go minus 20 and then go to our detail and we're going to do a bit of sharpening, so we'll put plus 60 on our sharpening, and then we're going to do masking to also plus 60. And that is our edit completed. Tap and hold on the screen, you'll see the before, release for the after. Now we can save that as a preset. Choose the little circle icon with the 3 dots, that's your settings, and choose create preset. Give your preset a name and then choose user presets, and at the bottom create new preset group. Name that and press the tick. These are all the parameters that you should save. Tick them if they're not already and then press the tick to complete. Now we can easily apply that preset to any other image. Choose another image, go to your presets. We'll need to search for them if we haven't already, and then just tap on the urban grit. That turns blue and you've applied your preset. Tick to confirm. Any edits or presets that you make aren't permanent to your images. You can always go back into your panels and readjust any of the parameters as you please. You can even reset the image back to the original. Press this reset button and click all and it goes back to your original. I'm just going to hit the undo arrow to reapply the preset. Well, that's it guys, thanks very much for watching. If that was useful for you, please hit the like and subscribe. I really do appreciate your subscriptions and I thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time.